Get something to eat. You will alright. If you think something I eat something, make a sad mistake.
From moving furniture and giving you a trivia on quiz.
No.
No.
It said from moving furniture and getting whooped in the trivia, but you never want to read it, right? You never want to read it. Can continue now. Go on now.
So from the trivia, it's been a very taxing morning. So only way to fix that, and I can't fix that for me this morning because we got food though. Chef Mark Chong has the World Cup eats, and I can't even write this up.
These look like if they would be perfect for sitting around and just grabbing up and eating. Good morning, Chef Chong. What's up?
If I was eating meat,
you'd devour that.
Nobody
you don't have any reverence for the food. You just,
sorry.
Good morning, Chef. Tell us a little bit about the spread that you've put out for the World Cup food.
All right, so this morning we have chicken kebabs, which is pretty easy to do. Pork ribs and chicken quesadillas.
That's not very easy to do.
No, that will take a minute.
Before we get into the actual meat of the matter,
see what you did there?
who's your team for the World Cup?
Well, it's right here.
Another Argentina-ite.
How long have you been watching the World Cup?
From Sport Billy days.
Wow.
I don't know what Sport Billy is.
Well.
Marvin, you know what Sport Billy is? Marvin, Aubrey, Sport Billy?
I don't know what Sport Billy is. Chef, you just age yourself big time, because I don't know what you're talking about. Okay.
Seriously? Okay.
So, and this is chicken quesadilla, right?
Chicken quesadillas, which can be done different ways. You can have vegetarian one, shrimp.
Most of the stuff that you have here is something that you can just grab with your finger and eat because
Pretty
at
much,
World Cup time we kind of just need that, right?
Pretty much.
Okay, so you are going to show us how to go through making the quesadilla.
The quesadillas,
All right, so let's get to it and we can talk about the rest while we go ahead.
Yeah, that's usually a difficult thing for me to make quesadillas.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah, because I always end up burning that.
That means that you can't cook none at all, because this is one of the easiest things out there for me.
Well, enough people can't do it.
Oh. Who in here can't put a tortilla in a one pot?
The Sheffield put one there.
Sheffield did not. You like to tell lies on people in there. Sheffield did not put up his hand. Okay, so first we make sure that the pot is a little warm. We don't put any butter, no oil,
No, man, we have a non-stick here. And we're trying to move away from all these fatty and oily foods.
Most definitely.
So if you don't have a non-stick pan,
well, you'll have to use as
use
well.
Dutchie and put little butter.
So some sweet peppers here. Always a good flavor.
So what about those of us who like lots of pepper? I can just put some pepper in there. I can put
You can
whatever
choose
I want in there.
any filling you wish.
Okay.
It's pretty much like a
So
pizza.
for my own, when you're making the next one, I don't want any chicken
make
in
it
there.
half.
No, you can't do that. I'm going to put
What do you mean?
I can do
On
half.
one side.
Oh.
Like a
Do
pizza.
it. You have sense. Look at you. I never thought that you had much until now.
When it comes to food, we have
Some onions, salt, added flavor. Right,
And so this is something that can be made in what? 5 minutes and you're done?
We're pretty much gonna see.
Yeah,
It's not, don't take a
so
long
this
time.
is really easy
Most of the prep time is actually cutting up the stuff.
and getting it done. And for those of you who are not using meat, that quick, because it's just look veggies. Or you said we can put things in there like seafood, shrimp,
Seafood, right.
anything like that. If you feel high end, you can go with some logs.
I mean, you can even use sausages, whatever you choose to. Like
How
quick and easy.
long are we supposed to leave that in there? Because I think I leave it too long.
I've never ever timed it, but
That's governed by how hot your pot is, right?
pretty much. But when you think the cheese melts,
I would try to flip it.
right.
So that wasn't in there for more than a minute.
No, it wasn't.
I lost track of time.
The cheese melted, so it's kind of bonded now. So another minute or so we can actually cut up and have it.
What other food types, what other finger foods you'd recommend for a World Cup viewing party?
I mean, you have, well, most people go with wings.
That's always a go-to.
That's always a
How
go-to.
about mozzarella sticks?
Mozzarella
I
sticks
like
is great.
mozzarella sticks.
Just pretty much cutting cheese.
And breading
but
it and
breading
flinging it in the
right.
pot.
There's so many finger food items, so many options out there.
Oh, I have a question. Can you use veggie cheese to make like the same sticks? You can
Yeah,
use it? Does it give you the same recipe?
Come on, because it melts.
Hear that?
Because it melts.
Why you watching food so hard, man? You're hungry.
And with the cheese.
Yes, let's find the half and half. I found it.
So talk to us a little bit about Mark Chunk's catering. Yeah, how long have you been doing it?
Well, I've been in this thing 21 years.
My gosh.
From 96.
Do you get a lot of World Cup parties to cater? Do people cater for things like that? Or just...
A lot of private
Yeah.
in-home get-togethers, small groups, 10, 15, 20, have been 50.
So it's mostly
But it's really
that
most
kind of
very intimate settings. There's not really a lot of people.
Okay.
Right,
Do you have a daily space that you cater out of, or you just cater for specific groups and gatherings?
I mean, if I have a restaurant?
Pardon?
I mean, if I have a restaurant, that's what they're asking?
No, not really a restaurant, but I mean, it don't have to be a restaurant. Can I come to you and say, hey, I'd like lunch today and be able to get lunch today?
Actually, it's interesting to ask that because I'm actually starting Mark Chung's Ready Lunch,
Aha!
which should be available possibly another 2 weeks or so.
Wow.
But we're actually working on it now. in terms
So
of getting
that's
all
something that I'll be able to order in the morning and get lunch delivered?
Right, definitely.
So now that the World Cup is coming up and fans at home, people at home will want, those who want a personal chef or a personal caterer, how do they get in touch with you?
All right, so we're on Instagram, Mark Chung's Catering. You can call our office, 876-620-0995.
I like I put in the 876 now.
I know.
I mean, I've been doing it for a long time,
Yeah.
but even our saved numbers in my phone, 876 has to go in.
What happened? You're
It's not
talking?
heat already.
Because you're talking.
Chef Mark Chung.
Would you like me to do a vegetarian one? Or
Yes, please.
All right.
Chef Mark Chung, that was him, and he knows how to give you the eats for World Cup and for any other day. So find him on IG if you want to get some ready lunch. We're going for a break. So come back.